Hey there, I'm really excited today to show you this very fast demo of our GPT mortgage calculator that we created. Now this is just simply a demo to give you an idea of things that you can do, but we could build something custom like this and place it on a website, place it on a Facebook page, in Messenger, Instagram. Basically there's a number of different things we can do with this, but it beats the old boring mortgage calculators that you can just throw just on a website and it's very form and very rigid. This makes it more conversational, and we can customize and put anything and any kind of personality into it. Now this is a really basic model, but let's really quickly show you exactly how this would work. So you can see there's a brief greeting, and it talks about asking the user what is the loan amount you want to calculate. So let's say we're plugging in let's plug in $275,000 loan amount. And it's going to give you some options for rates, and it's also going to say you can type in any rate that you want. So let's say we're quoting 6.125, or the customer's looking at getting a payment for 6 1/8. And then it's going to ask about terms. Again, they can type in a specific, let's say they have a 27-year custom refinance term that you want to plug in. And by the way, you can change any of these parameters to only show 3 options, to show 15 options. You could just have it be the blank open-ended question if you like, however you want to structure it and you think is going to work best. Plus you can make it the specific options show in here that you want. Then it's going to ask about property taxes and homeowners insurance. Yeah, we'll go ahead and include them in our demo here really quickly. And then it's going to ask for the estimation of how much it would be. Well, I guess on 275 maybe we'll say 3,000, and that's combined. So you plug that in. It's going to ask about if you're purchasing a condo, because it's going to ask about the homeowners association. We're going to say no, we're not going to purchase a condo on this one. And then it's going to ask about mortgage insurance. We'll say no, there's no mortgage insurance. And now it's going to say thanks for all the details, and it's calculating your payment just like that. Now here's where this gets really cool. Not only does it break down, here's your payment based on what you put in, and it reminds them that it's including their taxes and insurance and how much it was. It's going to give you the total principal and interest, and then the tax and insurance is $250 per month, so the total payment is right here at $1,810.75. So that's cool. But here's the part I was talking about. If you'd like to explore securing a lower rate or have any questions, I highly recommend contacting Jim Smith, 555-123-4567, and MLS number ABC Company. He can help you lock in the best rate before they change or offer special deals. It's a great time to act with rates fluctuating. Don't miss out. So there's a little call to action. Again, that can be tailored for your specific contact info and any specific call to action you want to direct them to. Now, this is another thing that it doesn't have to end here. We can actually add some additional conversation. If I'm a user that I wanted to see, okay, well wait, what if I wanted to do a 15-year at 5.25. Let's see how GPT acts for that one. Okay, perfect. Switches it around to 15-year at 5 1/4. Boom, just like that. And then it talks about if you're aiming to lock in this lower rate, it's a great time to act. Highly recommend reaching out to John so he can help secure. So it's very interactive. Quickly lets people play around with all the different numbers they want. How about, I don't know, let's just say 7%. Well, actually, let's say they're thinking they're gonna get something that's not actually available anymore, and they plug in at 4%. So, again, just another way to interact with customers, empower them to run all their own numbers and take a look at it. And as you can also see, there's another thing at the bottom of this custom GPT. It does mention there's a disclosure there. We can inbuild disclosures as well to make sure people contact you before relying on these numbers, although it's pretty straightforward. It's mortgage payment calculations. But all right, well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, this was a really short one. Just wanted to show you that quick demo. And if you have any questions or comments, drop them down below. If you wanted to get access to this actual custom GPT, drop that down below as well, and maybe I'll share the link either in the description if enough people ask for it, or send me a DM. I can send it directly to you. And most importantly, if you want a custom GPT built like this in your account and you don't want to deal with figuring out how to make it work and how to fine tune it, how to train it, shoot me a DM as well on that. I'll be happy to help and have a conversation on that. All right, anything else? Make sure to subscribe, like, and follow, and we'll see you later. Have fun. Thanks for watching.